giving that one, Georgie. Hi guys, may nagbigay ng ano, may nagpadala ng look. Pag uwi namin, ito madadat na namin from Ferns and Petals. So, wait lang. Let's put it down. We'll see who is this from. Okay?
Can I open it?
Yeah, let's see.
Now?
Yeah, we'll see. Kanino to galing?
Can I look at the weather?
Yeah, let's see. See, it says, can I read? It says, Jessica, may you have a wonderful Christmas celebration and a prosperous new year. May God's blessing shine down. Cool. And from Chris, Miriam, Maria, and Olivia from Singapore.
Something else.
So, yung regalo, guys, is the sender is from Singapore. So, nagpadala pala nito si Miriam. Brownlee family from Singapore. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko to in-expect. Kaya nagtaka ako, sino yung tumawag? Kasi
Can
sabi,
we make something else with this one?
yeah, sabi kasi, iwan lang doon niya sa door. Akala ko yung tumawag, yung ano, yung mananahi. Hala, paano ba ito buksan? Kaya hindi ko talaga alam na ganito. Hala, paano ba ito buksan? Ah, ayun. Tingnan natin yung cake. Ayan. So, ito yung cake, guys. Ito siya. From Ferns and Petals. Ayan. Christmas cake. Lovely. Wala kaming handa ngayon, guys. Wala kaming handa. Wala talaga. Noche Buena, wala. So, itong gift, bukas na namin to bubuksan. Kasi 25 kami magbubukas ng mga regalo. Ayan. Pero, nagbukas kami kanina ng tig-iisang regalo. Kasi si Georgie nagtatanong, is it Christmas yet? So, nagbukas kami isang regalo, bawat isa. So, ayan. Thank you, Brownlee family. Thank you. Maria. Olivia. Tita Miriam. And Chris. Say thank you. Brownlee family. In Singapore. Look at the camera. Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for the cake.
Thank you for cake with my beautiful Tetris.
Thank you, Brownlee family from Singapore. Maraming salamat, Sis Miriam. Nag-abala ka pa. Ano talaga, unexpected. Kasi, hindi ko talaga alam. So, Merry Christmas, everyone. Mag-ready muna kami. Patulugin ko na si Georgie. Thank you for watching. Bye!